Can you guys believe it? It's like 80 degrees today and they're calling for snow this weekend. Welcome to North Carolina. Like, for real, what the hell's up with this? But I've got a surprise for you guys and gals. Big announcement coming right up. So this surprise that I've got, it's a new series, and this new series, we're rebuilding a bike. So the video on protecting your bike from theft was a precursor to this new series. The Insurance Auto Auctions, some of you have heard of it, is literally just down the road here from the shop. So for the past few months, I've been hawking them out, keeping my eye out for anything of interest. Well, a few weeks ago, a certain bike showed up, and it looked pretty good. It was a theft recovery. So I got the opportunity to actually go and check it out. So they had it listed as inoperable because it had been hot wired. And, well, let's just go take a look at it. Alright guys, so here we go. I'm pretty excited about this. You ready? Is my hair okay? Alright, here we go. There it is. 2009 Kawasaki Ninja 650. So you can see here that the ignition, they just hammered it out. They literally just busted the bottom of the ignition and then hot wired the bike. And the day I won the auction, I went ahead and ordered a new ignition setup, triple clamp. It came with a gas cap and the seat latch, also key to like, which is pretty cool. And I got it for like $100. And I had to throw it in. I couldn't help it. I could not help it. So check this out. You're gonna love this. This beauty right here, that was the fairings. So this beauty right here, that's the old ignition. This is how they hot wired it. I mean, that's some special handiwork, you know what I mean? But anyway, so this is the bike. The fairings are pretty much toast, but everything else on the bike other than the ignition is in pretty good shape. The foot peg here is bent. This is a little scratched up. It's superficial. The back footrest got a little road rash, not too bad. The back tire's trashed, and the front could probably use a new one as well. The headlights are in good shape. Both of those, they're good. Lost a mirror. I've already taken the windscreen off. They had some, well, it was off of a Yamaha actually. This thing was on here. And one broke mirror, the other mirror is good. The fairings actually were not in this bad of shape when the auction was taking place. They damaged this thing more by picking it up. They literally just like dropped tow hooks down through the frame with straps and pick the bike up and bring it out of the yard to you. But it was listed as inoperable. I knew I was going to have to replace the body anyway, so that's not a big deal. It's probably going to be the biggest expense on getting this bike back up and running. It was laid over in the yard in the gravel. Somebody, I guess, knocked it over when they were doing a walkthrough. But I put the new ignition in, pulled the tank, got all that on video, so we'll go through and check it out step by step how to. Unhook the old one. I just plugged this one in. I've still got to pull everything out. Probably get a new set of bars. I can't quite tell, but I think this one, it's either rolled a little bit or it is bent. I know the clutch lever's been out, but if this is going to be replaced, we'll put some shorties or something on here. I'm missing one of the inner pieces here, the inner fairing trim. Lower pieces, of course, as well. I can get a whole set for this thing painted with everything I need for between $400 or $500. Take the air box off. I'm gonna clean that, change the plugs, flush the fluids. The frame on this thing is straight. It's in good shape. Need a fender eliminator. Probably do integrated tail light. I've already got something awesome lined up for turn indicators and tail lamps and all that. I'm really excited about that. I've got a sponsor on board that had contacted me before this project was a known factor. So we're going to be doing a special install. The tank is in good shape. There's like one tiny little ding where they knocked it over in the yard. Right there. Superficial. I can live with that. The thieves also busted the lock out of the gas cap. Can't ride a stolen bike without fuel, yo. But anyway, guys, I'm super stoked about this. The bike's in good running order. I did fire it up. I cranked it for the first time this morning. I actually just picked the bike up yesterday and did what you see last night. Charged the battery all night. It was down to like 1 volt. It's super dead. It needs replaced. Even after an all-night charge, it barely wanted to turn it over. The only other thing I found was on the starter relay, a little dark here. They had a 75 amp fuse stuck in there that they had blown. I was nervous when I seen that, especially when I pulled the fuse out and the flasher relay got broke. There's the old keys. Oh, there it is. Check out this beauty. You seen anything like that? Let's lay that down so you can get a good look here. That is some classy shit right there. Don't do this. Guys, do not. Do not wrap a fuse with tinfoil or any other metal. I mean, this is already over twice the size. You only need a 30 amp on that relay. That's a 75. So, luckily, I went through the electrical and did a quick check for circuit grounds. And did not find any dead shorts, so I put the spare 30, which I guess the dumbasses didn't know that that was a spare fuse. Pulled it out, stuck it in, and the bike fired right up. Did not even hesitate. Blew a little bit of black smoke out from where the oil probably got up in it when it was laid over. And then it started running normal, you know, just condensate and all that good stuff. But yeah, all the sensors check out, the dash works. Probably do new brakes, new body, of course. You know, I could do like everybody else and strip it down and Street Fighter. You know, Street Fighter, of course, just means I wrecked my bike. But alright, looking for suggestions. What do we want to do with this? What do we want to do with this bike? We're going to build it up. We're going to put it on the road. The name of this new series is going to be Ride Rehab. Alright, I appreciate all you guys' support for watching the channel, sticking with me through all the trial and error session of learning how to put videos together and editing and not making music so loud in the background and things like that. Hey, I'm learning. You know, I'm taking it all in and trying to adapt as I go and make content better. So, dive into this thing with me, guys. We're going to tear it down, clean it up, rebuild it, get it back running like it needs to be. It's awesome. I'm really excited. So, stick around, hit that subscribe and like button, tell your friends. I don't know where this is going, but I want y'all to share the journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.